Yeah, got it. Made it. Hey guys, it's my birthday. It's hot. We brought the truck up to the sand pit. We're gonna be driving it down this hill here. We're gonna drive it around up here and stuff. This is what I wanted to do, so
I think little Todd just
should be fun.
in my room.
Dad's gonna video of me boogieing around in it and find out how to double clutch it so I can jake brake a little bit. But we'll figure it out at some point. Bugs everywhere, so I'm gonna get in the truck and start boogieing, I guess. All right, see you guys in just a second. Idle and really low.
Little Tonka toy playing in the sand.
Oh, this is gonna be a little sketchy.
Mom down there.
Alright.
Sounds so cool.
didn't like the rocks up there at all. I just kept hopping up and down and
You want to keep going around? Just do some circles. Put it in four-wheel drive, come back up the hill.
Huh?
Put it in four and come back up the hill.
Was it only spinning 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's only in 2 right now.
Oh. Hot. Oh,
I know,
Lord.
it's crazy.
It's nice out here. You're riding with? Okay.
Kid.
Karoo.
Taking Lillian for a ride right now.
A little warm in here?
Those are cool. We gotta get locks for his doors on the back.
You're gonna get out of the... Not too bad. Holy moly.
How was it?
That was fun. I like shifting the gears and stuff.
Yeah, you gotta do it a little bit quicker, but it's still doing what it needs to. What's the temperature at?
150.
That's it? Wow, that's really impressive. It's like 90 degrees and hot as Satan's balls. Well, you want to just go around and around a little bit?
Yep.
You didn't want to come back up the hill?
No, it's just gonna spin.
Is it in four-wheel drive though? Put it in 4, this thing's gonna crawl right up that. Alright, I'll
mess with the levers a few times.
Just try it. If it starts spinning, just back down, come back up the same way. You're not gonna get stuck downhill, so. Oh, right in the balls. Ouch.
1, 2, 3. Guess. I don't think it's gonna, but
Horseflies are killing us today. Oh, he's only in two-wheel drive. Todd. Able to get to actually engage in four-wheel drive, so we're gonna have to look at that when we're done. It's only the third or fourth thing now. See if they'll actually turn around in the sand here.
oh,
I guess he's not done yet. Pretty fun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Were you not able to get the four-wheel drive to engage or what?
No.
All right, we'll have to look at that when we get home.
It's hot.
It is hot. It's got to be 90 and like.
Oh, it's cold out here.
100% humidity.
I feel cold right now.
All right, so let's look at the truck a little bit and we'll talk to them and you can end your video here in a little bit. Sure, does look nice.
Sound cool?
Oh, it sounds really cool, especially when you change gears and get on it a little bit again.
Yeah.
It sounds like
so darn bouncy. Alrighty, so after the truck was, we shut it off over here and went to go start it. Started flooding itself and shut off on me. So I started again, turned it around, come over here, and it wouldn't make it up the trailer because it kept bogging and shutting off and didn't make it. it was loading up, so we had them pull us back, and then we pushed the truck all the way up to on the trailer, and it's up there now. So what an experience, Jesus, bugs everywhere. But we're gonna let you go, and we have one more stop to make, I guess. So I'll let you go, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. So we're just tightening the truck down quick, so see you guys in just a little bit. Alright, so we're out at the family farm, and this is where it came from. So see right down there, grass still hasn't grown in down there, right there, through there. This is where it used to sit. This used to sit right here. So it's pretty neat that we brought it back, but I'm gonna get some pictures of it and let you go for this
We come back
part of the video. Yep. Oh.
Fun birthday, huh?
So far, yeah. But alrighty, I'll let you go. See you guys later tomorrow. Yep. See you guys later. Bye.